Welcome to all in our lecture series of PPCM. In our previous lecture, we have seen floats and type of floats. Now today lecture we have seen CPM system. Now mainly two systems are used in the CPM analysis. It is the AOA system and AON system. This part we already discussed in our previous lecture, but today in our lecture we discuss this part because this is the part of CPM system. So you know that AOA system means activity on arrow system, and activity is graphically represented by the arrow, and the tail end and the head end of arrow represent start and finish time of the activity. Means this is the event, this is the arrow, and this is the event. So this is the tail event and this is the head event. You already know this part. So this is the graphical representation of activity on arrow system. Second is the AON system, that is the activity on node system, or it is also say proceeding diagram. Okay, so activity on node system. So activity is represented by circle or node. Events have no places. Arrows are used to show the dependency relationship between activity nodes. Here this is the way we have used the activity on nodes. Means in this part event is neglect. This is the activity part only, and arrow is used the dependency of relationship between the activity nodes. Means A is depend on the B. Okay, now let's see some advantages of AON system over AOA system. So first is AON system is eliminate use of dummy activities. Okay, in activity on arrow system we have used dummies, but in activity on node dummy activities is not used. So here eliminate of dummy activities. It is more helpful for projects having more overlapping activities. If your project activities is overlapped one with other, then at that time AON system is beneficial for that. Third one, it is a self-sufficient and self-explanatory. All activity time EST, EFT, LST, LFT are represented on the diagram. Okay, it is self-explanatory and self-sufficient, and all activity times in CPM we have find we represent on the single diagram. Fourth is the revision and modifications are easier. In activity on nodes, revision and modification are very easier. And the last point is the pre-operation and post-operation of activities under consideration are distinctly visible. In this system, pre-operation and post-operation are distinctly visible. So these are the some basic part of CPM system, in which we discuss the AOA system and the AON system and advantage of AON system over the AOA system. Okay, so today lecture is over guys. We meet with another topic in our another lecture. Thank you.